All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it is finally time to give you my favorite earbuds of 2021. Now, I couldn't come to a conclusion on a phone, but earbuds, this turned out to be pretty simple for me. I just give the award to the ones that I actually use the most, and the ones that I've always reached for are the AMAZFIT POWERBUDS Pro. Now, these earbuds check so many boxes for me, I thought it would be great to give them the title of the best earbuds from 2021. So before you guys jump out there and start naming all these other earbuds that I should try or that I need to purchase, or did you try these? Did you try these? What about these? These versus these? What do they sound like versus these? You guys tend to do that a lot. And I understand why you're doing it, but you're just going to have to get out there, folks. You got to start buying some products and testing for yourself. Reviews can only tell you so much, especially when it comes to earbuds, because sound quality is totally subjective. But with that being said, I've tried a number of earbuds and I have purchased a number of earbuds over the year of 2021. Now, in 2021, I looked for just from earbuds in general, but in 2021, I tried to narrow it down and continue to use the same earbuds if I could. Now, these aren't the most expensive earbuds I have. That title goes to my Bowers and Wilkins. These earbuds right here ran me $400, folks. So, and they're really good. They're good earbuds, but just because they cost a lot doesn't mean I'm going to like them the best. These earbuds right here currently are on sale. Hit the link in the description. You can grab yours. These cost less than a third or maybe 20% of what the price of those are. So, and you're getting a lot with these. So the first thing that I noticed about these was the comfort and feel. These feel absolutely fantastic, folks. The little rubber tip on there really helps with active noise canceling. And it really gets real snug in your ear. You can change the tips on them if you need to. But that is the plus to having a rubber tip on here opposed to just like my AirPods. They just drop in my ear and they don't stay in very well. But these rubber tips right here help with active noise canceling, they help with sound quality, and they help with not being fatigued with extended use. So sound quality, I'll knock that out the way and tell you, these are just phenomenal in sound. The active noise canceling on here are great, straight up. No ifs, ands, or buts, that's just what it is. Now, the most important thing about earbuds is fatigue. Putting something in your ear for an extended period of time, your ears and your head, around your eardrum and your head, you could get a headache possibly, or you could just get that real fatigue where your eardrum starts to hurt. That does not happen to me with these earbuds. These earbuds are super comfortable. I mean, they are just it, man. I have a lot of earbuds, but these are the ones that I actually go to daily. Like, these are the ones I take with me when I leave. If I need to do something around the house and I need to cut the grass or something, or I just need to have both my hands free, or I just don't want to hold the phone, these are it. No fatigue whatsoever. Now, unlike some people, I actually use my phones for phone calls. And sometimes I'm on a call. Some of you guys are on social media all day. I'm pretty much on phone calls all day. And when I talk to people, they have no idea that I'm using these earbuds. They don't have an idea that I'm using earbuds, I should say. Not that it's these, but they just don't have an idea about me talking to them on a set of earbuds because the calls are super clear and really nice. So fatigue is something that's important when you're trying to make extended phone calls. I don't experience these with these earbuds. And the reason I'm not saying you're not going to experience it because I have no idea how you're going to experience these when you buy them or if you have them. If you have these, I'm sure you'll probably give me your small review in the comments section and how they've been doing with you and how long you've had them. Now, remember, I've had mine for about 6 months. So this is about as honest as I could get. I have been using these straight through as my primary earbuds for 6 months. So I'm telling you that for me, no fatigue whatsoever. And when I say a phone call, I mean like 2 hours possibly or more. That's how long some of my phone calls are. So these earbuds stand up really well. Now you're probably saying, Jay, well, if you can talk on the phone for 2 hours with one of these earbuds, that means battery life is great. Well, you're absolutely right. Now, these are one of the few earbuds out there where the claims I think are actually true. Meaning 9 hours with active noise canceling, 30 hours of battery life. I believe that with these because I rotate the earbuds. Now, when I'm on a phone call, I don't put both earbuds in. I rotate the earbuds. And I've never timed it to see how long each one can last. But I've gone, I think the longest phone call I stayed on, it might have been a conference or so, it might have been 4 hours or so. But when I put them back in the case, the case charges them really fast, and I just didn't look. So comfortably, I didn't get any dropped calls or anything like that, and they stayed in for a long time. 4 hours with something in your ear and on a phone call is a long time, depending on how you're engaging. So if you're just sitting on the call, then it's going to seem like eternity. But when you're talking, you forget they're there, and you're focusing on the task at hand. And so, yeah, battery life, check the box. I think AMAZFIT did a fantastic job with these for battery life. The case is really nice. As you can see, the case doesn't fall down, but it's still magnetic. And that's important. You have to have a nice case. It's a spring-loaded case, but it is magnetic too. So you have to have this if you're going to, have something be a good set of earbuds and call them a champion. That, believe it or not, is important. If you call yourself a semi-audiophile, it's not going to be for earbuds. Maybe when it comes to these earbuds, yeah. But when just earbuds, you're going to want a powerful hinge on your case, and you're going to want one that has a magnetic top on it. So that is important alone. Just having a really nice case checks these as my earbuds of selection for 2021, coming in at number 1 for me. So we check the box on sound quality. We check the box on phone calls, fatigue, comfort and feel, battery life. What else is there? Price. These are priced very competitively, folks. Now, while they're not the lowest on the scale, they are just at $100 or a little bit more. Hit the link in the description again. You can find yours if you want to purchase them there if you haven't already done so. But the price is perfection for the quality. Like, the value to consumer is right here. It's right here. The value to consumer is right here. Type C as well, by the way. So if you're a person who's looking for that ultimate set of earbuds and you're just on the fence, you don't want to spend, like some of us did, the $400 on these Bowers & Wilkins. And if you're going to say, Jay, well, Bowers & Wilkins sounds better. Well, remember, sound quality is up to the person using them. And where the Bowers & Wilkins misses the beat is just the comfort and feel in comparison to these. These stay in the ear, but these feel better in the ear. And the fatigue is more likely with these for some reason for me. I don't know what it is, but these just do it for me. And that too. $400, a flimsy case? Yeah, no, that's a no-go. So, and also the Bowers & Wilkins app isn't intuitive. There's a lot to the Bowers & Wilkins have great sound quality, but I got to give a complete package. I can't truly recommend someone spends $400 on some earbuds for daily drivers and they're just regular consumers. No, but I can with these though, because these cost a lot less, 20% of the price of those, and they sound just as good. They have better battery life, and the case is more sturdy. The earbuds are more sturdy, and these are within reach of a lot more people. So it's your man Jay, my favorite earbuds of 2021. And again, I know there's going to be somebody that says, did you try these? Or what about these? They don't sound better than these. Okay, that's, again, earbuds. I've said it before in another video. How can you really believe an earbud review from someone if you're not listening to them? Because, see, sound is subjective. But for me, this is just a recommendation. I would never steer you wrong, and I'm telling you, these earbuds sound phenomenal. Phone calls, phenomenal. Battery life, top tier. And the case is nice and sturdy, and you're getting what you need with the Type-C port. The fast charging on these, great. There's just a lot about these that you will like. And they have an IP rating. You know, if you're going to work out, you're good to go. So, drop the hammer. It's over. We're done. The verdict is in. These are the best earbuds that I've used in 2021. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me if you have these, how you feel about them after the whatever time that you've been using them. Remember, I've had mine for 6 months. So I think that's about when they came out. So I want to know what you think about them. Take care. Leave a comment down below. Earbud fans, rejoice. these are number one.